Accessing Microsoft Project involves several steps, depending on whether you're using the desktop version or the cloud-based Microsoft Project Online. Here's how to access both. Microsoft Project Desktop version. Purchase and install. Ensure you have purchased Microsoft Project. It can be obtained via Microsoft's website or through an Office 365 subscription that includes Project. Download. Go to Microsoft Office, sign in with your Microsoft account, and navigate to the Install Office section. Select Microsoft Project from the available software list. Install. Download and run the installer. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the installation. Launch. After installation, open Microsoft Project from your Start menu or desktop shortcut. Enter your product key or sign in if prompted to activate the software. Microsoft Project Online. Sign in. Navigate to Microsoft Project Online using your web browser. Microsoft 365 account. Sign in with your Microsoft 365 credentials. Ensure that you have a subscription or license for Project Online. Access projects. Once signed in, you can access the Project Center to create new projects, manage existing ones, and use other features like dashboards and reports.